Hi, I'm going to show you the new agent tools we've added in Dataiku 14. We have third-party integrations for Jira and ServiceNow, plus a Python tool for writing custom agent tools. Let me start by setting up a Jira tool. I'll click on the Jira tool and configure it to connect to our project management system. I'll select my service account and select the project where I want tickets to be created. For this demo, I'll use our KAN project. Now, I'll give the agent additional context on the structure of the output. Let me test this by having my agent create a quick ticket right now. I'll tell it to report a data quality issue we found in our customer dataset. Perfect. You can see it created the ticket in our Jira project. Now let me show you the ServiceNow tool. I'll connect to our ServiceNow service account, and we can give context to the agent to use this tool to draft up official incident reports in our ServiceNow instance. As we run a quick test, we can see a new incident report was now logged into ServiceNow. Now for the Python tool. This is where you get the real flexibility. I'll create a custom tool named Validation Checker that validates these incident reports against our standards. We can use code templates or write from scratch. In this case, we'll write the tool from scratch. I'll save this and test it. And it works. You can see it's now available in the Agents Toolkit and can be used across agents and projects. And those are the new agent tools in Dataiku 14.0. They let your agents integrate with enterprise systems and run custom logic, making them much more powerful for real-world workflows.